All right, y'all. Got some things that we got to do. Let's go to the car. Woo, woo. It is a hot ass day today. It's a hot ass day today. I gotta get my key. I hate when I do this. Wrong key. Right key. Left. Let's go. Ah. What it do? What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys that's watching the channel right now. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. All right. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. And if you're one of my OG subscribers just never subscribed, make sure you guys click subscribe. And also leave a like. Today I just did something. I did a good investment that I needed, because I'm always relying on other people for this help. And what it is that you guys wondering, I just bought myself a jack lift, which is so important. If you're a car enthusiast, you have to have a jack stand, and you gotta be more. I gotta be more independent. I can't rely on everybody for every damn thing. Make a long story short, I'm on my way. I just got it from this location, AutoZone. Have to go drive to the other one because I just paid here, so I just bring the receipt and we're gonna pick up the jack's lift. So I'm excited for this because we have some great news for the Teggy. I know all my little Teggy followers, I know y'all been waiting for me to do some stuff for the car. I have so much great news for the Integra, and we're gonna get this car really looking nice and really just perfect. You know what I'm saying? I want to do it all perfect, a clean car, and it's gonna be nice. So with that being said, today we are about to do something to the wheels. We are going to change the color to the wheels, and we're gonna do something super epic and super dope that will go so good with the color of my car. Anyways, what we about to do is we about to make the new basically I'm going to restore the wheels. Now a lot of people be like, go get some new wheels, go get some new wheels. For some reason in my soul, just for the time being, I want to keep everything OEM. All right, I want to keep everything traditionally the way the car is. Now with that being said, of course eventually I'm gonna go get some nicer wheels. Like, I don't want to just get any wheels. I want to get something super fucking nice but bust down, in my opinion, not for everybody else telling me go get some Rays, go get some whatever. I want to get what I want. I'm the type of person, I don't care about the damn brand. I like wheels that look fucking dope. If the wheel looks super sick, I'm going to get it. I don't care about just because it's the brands. I don't care for that. You know what I'm saying? It's cool, but I don't care for that. So anyways, with that being said, I want to stick with the OEM right now. So what we're going to do is I'm going to repair the wheels that's on my car right now. It had like the old black. I did it before a rush job, didn't do the right job. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to restore the wheels, and then I'm going to re-powder coat them. And I'm going to powder coat them bronze. So the bronze with that beautiful thunder metallic gray, which is like a blue and gray mixture, it's going to make my car pop so much more. I've been so procrastinating for the last 2 days to do this and get it done. So I'm finally about to get it done. I'm finally about to make my car look super nice. And with that color and the bronze that I have on this car, my 350Z, that's the color I'm gonna do, and it's gonna be so nice. And I'm gonna do it so good, so nice, and we're gonna make this car really pop. So I'm excited. And like I said, I just bought myself a jack lift, which is very important for anybody, and it's gonna make the process so quick and so faster, because I have 2 wheels up instead of 1 wheel up, and doing it the manual way with the harder way. You know what I'm saying? That the lift that comes with the car. So with that being said, I don't want to talk too much for you guys, but I do want to tell you guys this too as well. Shout out to you. You know who you are, bro. You left a comment in my last video, I believe. Not the last one, but the one before last. I basically just ordered the exact paint, manufacturer OEM paint. Finally found it. I went to a lot of places, they didn't have the paint. Found a place online, and I ordered 2 cans of them, 12-ounce cans. So that's more than enough that I need. I bought 2 just to be on the safe side. And that's done, and then with the new wheels, and then we get a little coilovers, get slammed, it's gonna be game changing. Like, I really don't want to go. That's the only thing I don't like, going slammed and that low, because first of all, it makes the car look good, and it makes it more beneficial. But I do have to do it because of the aero kit on my car is very functional, and driving it is so sketchy. So because the car is so lifted, and the aero kit is really, really active, so I have to get lowered. The only thing is I don't feel like scraping and all that shit, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So with that being said, is the new paint is on its way. I did an order last night, so it says it's gonna take about a week or so to get here. They take their process, their time, because they gotta make the paint, scratch, and etc. So yeah, so I'm happy for that, and I cannot wait to get this Teggy looking super, super perfect that it deserves, man, because that car is my baby, you know what I'm saying? And the more and more I'm fixing it, and now I'm just noticed, after learning about my car paint, it made me appreciate my Integra just a lot bit more, because at first I was kind of bullshitting with fixing it up, doing this, but now I'm just like, I have another boost in myself to just really get this car really looking good and actually performing actually better too as well. So we're not gonna talk too much about that. Let's get these wheels taken care of. All right, so let's go. So this is the one I got. All right. So this is the one I got. So you see these bronze, these are dirty as hell. Color bronze that I'm gonna be doing to the Integra. And we just got ourselves the lift. Alright, so I just got this right here. We are now about to get into some business, about to work on the car. I'm excited. I think I have enough paint, but I'm kind of like, so what I might do is just, damn, I don't feel like making another stop. I gotta get one more can, I think. But my wheels are so little, so I don't think I need that much. I'm gonna just roll what I got at home, and if I need to get extra color, then I'm just gonna pick it up. But yeah, let's go. So with that being said, after you really basically want to just clean those wheels as much as you can, and basically we're going to be powder coating the wheels the same color as my 350Z. You can get this from your local O'Reilly's sells this brand. This is the brand I use, and the picture doesn't pick up in the camera. I mean, the camera doesn't do the color no justice, but it's really a nice color, as you guys seen in my 350Z. Hit it with the light. Yeah, you still can't really see the good quality of it, but yeah, you get this this brand at O'Reilly's for like, I think it's like $7-8 or something like that. So for these wheels, since they are small, these are only 16s, I got 2.5 cans. So basically I got about 2 new cans. So basically I bought 2 cans, and I already had one I used previously with the 350Z. So I'm going to be using these 3 cans. So I'm going to use 2 to a wheel, and then use this one to just give it extra spray for all the wheels. And then on top of that, I bought this because with the 350Z, I didn't clear coat them. So this is going to help them stay glossy instead of looking like matte color. So I want these wheels to be as shiny as possible. So I bought the gloss paint protector. So it's going to make the wheels last way longer. So it's not going to have like the matte look. So this is the things I do. So I'm going to use 2 for per wheel, and that should be good enough. And yeah, so I just bought me a jack lift, which is very, very important for me because I'm always using people's and asking them for help. So with this being said, I'm going to jack the car up. After I jack the car up, once I got the 2 wheels off, I'll show you guys the next step, because it's just me by myself, and it is already 4 o'clock. So I want to hurry up and get this done immediately. So stay tuned for the next step. All right, so I finally got all 4 of the screws off of there. So now all we gotta do is take this wheel off. I'm gonna take this wheel off, and then we get the other side going. But these are definitely good to have. I bought this whole little lift kit at AutoZone for like $65 plus tax. So it's definitely needed, and I recommend you guys to get it because it comes with 2 of the holders on each side. So I got the whole front side good, because before, if you guys watch all my previous videos, I used to always do one wheel at a time because I used what came with the car, but now since I got the lift, I can knock out two quicker and faster. So let me speed this process up. Once I'm done with the first once I'm done with all the wheels, I'll just show you guys how it looks afterwards, because it's just me by myself and I'm not having nobody to help me record this, and I'll show you guys how it looks once it's done. Before you do any plastic dip or whatever you do, this is not plastic dip, this is actually paint that lasts. The thing you want to do is, I have hella Pokemon cards because I have a million Pokemon cards because I used to play Pokemon all the time. What you do is, instead of getting tape or anything, so you want to get your wheels any paint on it, you don't want to mess your wheels up, because I've done that so many times. I'm just gonna sacrifice Pokemon cards that I don't use and can't use. So I'm going to just put these all around, and basically all you want to do is just kind of just cover your wheels, because you don't want your tires getting damaged. And it won't really damage your tires, but it just saves you the process of cleaning your tires after you're done with your wheels. So I'm just showing you guys this. So as you guys see, I just put Pokemon cards all around, so when I'm spraying, it won't go over and hit the wheeling of the tires. And I'm gonna do this wheel as well, and I just want to show you guys this real quick. The car's still lifted over there. Let me take care of this real quick and let's get this coat going. I basically did like 10 coats per wheel, so that was actually good for that half can that I already used. I already have 2 cans that's brand new I haven't used yet, and 1.5 of a can lasted me for these, because these wheels are literally only these wheels are let me see, I forgot these size. Oh, these are 16-inch wheels, I believe, 15 or 16-inch wheels. So so these wheels are 15 inches, so that was good enough to clear all this up for 1 can. I did like at least 10 layers on each wheel, like no cat. So it definitely worked out, and I still got 2 more cans. I'll probably return the other one because I really don't need it. But yeah, 1 can did good enough. So I used all of it, and now I'm working on the clear coat. I already did 1 spray of it. You can see basically this clear coat, gloss clear coat will basically just like help enhance the wheel and keep it shining. A lot of these paints are matte colors, and even though some of them say they are a gloss, at the end of the day they still kind of have a matte tint. So you always want to buy some clear coat to protect it and to make it last longer as well, and just keep that shine really going. I want that real glossy look, and so far it is what it is. So I'm working on it. I'm gonna do another layer of this. I'm gonna use this whole can for the clear coat, and once I use this whole can, I'm done. I'm just gonna use the whole thing. Better safe than sorry. So let's do it. All right, as you guys see, the wheels are super shiny. On the camera it doesn't really pick up the shininess of the wheels, but oh my god, in person they're super glossy. And what I did was I sprayed so much can of the clear coat, and I think the clear coat gave it like some frost, like some glitter type stuff onto it, which I didn't know. But yeah, in the sun it is really glossed up. Like, it is super shiny. The camera doesn't pick up how bronze goldish these wheels are, but they are super shiny and they look so good. Ooh, damn, I can't wait. All I gotta do is clean the wheels, but all the wheels is dirty because I have like a rock down there. So since it's a front wheel drive, the tire kept moving when I'm trying to take the wheel off. But this looks so amazing. Once I'm done with the whole thing, I'm gonna take it somewhere else and then show you guys how it look as it's parked in the different areas, and with better lighting too. Oh my god, these are so wet. Jeez. So I finally finished the car. I finally found a little location, come over here by my house to park. But these wheels have made a big fucking difference, and it looks so much better, and the orange and everything goes together, and the wheels are bronze gold. It's the same thing I have on my 350Z. So I do want to show you guys how it looks. I'm ready to just make this car look so much better. And also, like I said earlier, I did order the paint, so the paint is going to be coming hopefully sometime next week. The paint should be here, and we're gonna repaint the car. Just touch up all the clear coat problems. And we're gonna make this paint back to OEM original rare color. But no need for me to keep talking. I'm gonna show you guys the car right now. Let's do it.